How to change password in Outlook. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can change your password in your Outlook. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your Outlook. Head over to outlook.live.com and log in into your account. After you've done that, tap on your profile icon that should be on the top right. Then you'll need to tap on this option that says My Microsoft Account. Tap on that, and it should open up the Microsoft account for your Outlook. After you're here, you will see the Change Password option right here. Tap on Change Password. After you tap on Change Password, it'll take you to another page where you will need to verify your email. So enter out your email here, send a code. Let me just enter out my email. And after you enter out your email here, it'll send a code to verify that it's you. After you get the code, paste it here, and then it'll take you to another page where you can simply change your password. So enter out a new password here, and then re-enter it here, and then tap on Save. Doing that, you'll have changed your Outlook's password, including your Microsoft. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.